Lion.
Lion.
The lion is called the king of the jungle. Tiger.
Tiger.
Tigers have beautiful orange fur with black strips. Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephants have the biggest ears of any land animal. Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffes are the tallest animals on earth. Zebra.
Zebra.
Each zebra has unique black and white strips. Panda.
Panda.
Pandas love eating bamboo all day long. Koala.
Koala.
Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroos carry their babies in pouches. Sloth.
Sloth.
Sloths move so slowly that algae grows on their fur. Orangutan.
Orangutan.
Orangutans are clever apes that love to swing in trees.